Coloring with Tata.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Tata channel. Today we are going to draw and color the cute cook stove. So friends, let's get begin. First I draw the pot. Now here I'm drawing the stove. Here I'm drawing some woods. And the fire coming out from the stove. This is the flame. Friends, take the marker to enjoy. Now it's time for coloring. I take brown color for the cute stove. For the fire, I take two colors. First is yellow and the second one I will take will be red. Here I'm coloring the wood with three colors of mixture. First is red and the second one is blue, and lastly I take orange color. Time to color the pot here. Friends, I take light blue first, then I take dark green. In the end, I will take light pink.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Food is cooking inside the pot, so we make some food on the pot.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a camel, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt
To
grunt
make the
there,
flame
here a
more
grunt, there a
visible,
grunt,
I
everywhere
take
grunt,
light
grunt.
blue
Old
here.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Friends, I take black marker to make the diagram more vibrant
Old
and
MacDonald
beautiful.
had a farm,
Awesome!
E-I-E-I-O.
The
And
cute
on that
pot
farm he
stove
had a
looks
dog,
so amazing!
With a
So
woof, woof
friends,
here
if you
and
like the
woof,
video,
woof
so do
there.
like the
Here a
video and
woof, there a
subscribe to
woof,
the channel
everywhere
so
a
you do
woof,
not
woof.
miss
Old
any of our
MacDonald
updates.
had a
This is
farm,
Baba signing off until my next
E-I-E-I-O.
video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.